You want to make money online, but you just hate showing your face. You hate coming to the camera and talking. Guess what? I do too. But lucky for us, just lucky for us, that AI is handing out faceless business tools like free samples at Costco. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can start making money online facelessly using these 3 tools.
They said dreams take time, but we speed it up. Facial creations where you bloom.
Hi, welcome to Faceless Creation Studio, where we use AI to build dreams, brands, and businesses while making money. In today's video, my bestie and I will be teaching you how to start a faceless AI business. Not only that we will be handing a free faceless AI business blueprint for free at the end of this video, please stay and watch till the end, cause she's got a lot installed for you and we will be dropping them every week. I will suggest you go ahead and join this family by subscribing to get latest AI tools and our daily dose of AI to monetization guides.
So in today's video, I'll be showing you 3 powerful AI tools that you can use to start business at home. I mean, you don't need any tech skills. You just need your phone, your laptop, and an internet. And these AI tools will create you a business that you can rely on, that can be passive and make you start earning money today. And most importantly, you must watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video, I'll be sharing a free resource that will help you put these tools together and help you get started. I mean, start earning from home today.
I wish to know what you've got for us today, cause I know you teach AI tools that requires no tech skills, faceless, easy, and AI powered.
Yes, that's right.
All you have to do is pick a niche like health, finance, or motivation. Follow along, guys. Let me show you how. Welcome to Faceless Creation Studios, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you 3 tools you can use to start an AI business today. It might be an AI channel or a TikTok channel or even an AI business that you can promote on social media. This method is also good for business people who want to start up a business and they need AI to help them start up this business. Many a times, people don't like being the brand face of their brand. So with this method, you can actually use it to monetize your channels. Might be Facebook, might be YouTube, might be Instagram. And also you can use this method to also start creating content that is going to pay you, and even start working with content creators to help reduce the workload. First thing, you head over to your browser. You type in LTX Studio. LTX Studio. Okay. My internet, I have a problem. I'm using a VPN because I'm in China. You type in LTX Studio. Please select the first one. This one. This is the right one to start with. LTX Studio. And LTX Studio is good because you can create content with it without even buying credits. I mean, you can try it out right now. As I'm talking to you right now, you can go ahead and try it out. Then you can pick start for free. But for me, I already created an account with them, so I'm just going to log in with the accounts. But for you, since you're just starting, you can just go in with start for free. So I'll sign in to my Google account here, and you can too sign in with your Google account, of course. You have to head over to ChatGPT to give you a script, because LTX is like a storyboard kind of platform. So before you get to LTX, the first thing you have to do is to go to ChatGPT, get a script. I mean, pick a niche. For example, if you want to talk about health, you want to talk about finance, you want to talk about relationships, whatever you want to talk about. For me, in today's tutorial, because I don't want the video to be too long, I'm going to be doing a content that involves news broadcasts. So you can choose whatever you want, whatever topic. You just need to choose your niche. The evergreen niches are health, relationship, and finance. You can go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to give you 10 topics around these niches: health, finance, relationship. ChatGPT is going to generate you 10 topics around these niches. And once ChatGPT generates 10 topics around these niches, you go ahead, you choose one topic, and then tell ChatGPT to script out this topic for you. Let's log into ChatGPT, okay? This is my script. I already had a prepared script for you today. This is the script here. As you can see, ChatGPT has scripted it for me. But because of this tutorial, let me show you what you have to do. You go back to new chat. You get a new chat. Okay. Might be you want to talk about finance, right? So you're asking ChatGPT to give you 10 lucrative business topics you can talk about facelessly that is going to help someone grow their business and make money from home. And you hit the send button. Once it loads, you see ChatGPT is going to give you 10 AI topics: digital production, affiliate marketing. What you have to do is to choose a topic from here. I still want to talk about faceless content creation and automation, of course, because I'm in that niche. You ask ChatGPT, like, give me a story board. All right, guys, if you want the complete prompt on what I prompted ChatGPT here, please, I'll leave it in the description box so that you can just copy and paste, okay? For me, I was going to go with a viral topic, of course. I want to use this viral topic because it's easy and it can easily catch attention. We'll be talking about newscast, okay? This is a prompt I prepared for YouTube. Now, I'm going to take this prompt here and go to LTX and prompt LTX to give me a storyboard with this prompt. And one thing about LTX is it's not only going to give you a storyboard. In that storyboard, you can make motions. You can also ask the speakers to speak, okay? Which is very advantageous. Now, let me show you how to do this. Now, let's get to LTX, okay? Now, we are back on LTX Studio. This is LTX Studio. What you want to do when you get here is you click on AI-powered video, storyboard, generate storyboard. Now, you're on AI-powered storyboard. Now, you can see input your concept. Here, you're supposed to input your concept. Either you stick to the script or you develop concept with AI. AI involvement in script editing and writing. Now, I'll advise you to ask the AI here with the script from ChatGPT to rescript your script for you, okay? So you're going to paste your script here. Let me paste my script here. Once I paste my script here, I'm going to actually also go through the script. I'm supposed to go through the script to make sure what ChatGPT has written, I'm having full confidence that everything is right and there's nothing extra that is going to be in the script that I don't want. Now, after writing all this, all you have to do is you're going to click next. Okay, when you click next, now the AI is going to rewrite all this. Like, it's going to rewrite your script for you so that you can actually read it and see if that's what you want. You go through, you make sure you read it again to see if that's what you actually wanted from your exact script. So I'm going to click next. Now the AI is generating the visuals. Why? I will choose my actors, right? Here, actually, you can create your character, but creating your character is really expensive. It's $35 a month. So I can't actually create a character right now. I'm going to go with the characters given to me here. I can pick any character of my choice. Now I can edit my character. Let me edit this character. I actually want the black female. A black female with afro hair. Now we've got her. Yes, she looks perfect, right? Yeah, I think she's perfect for the job because I'm talking about Wakanda, and Wakanda is likely related to black people. So I want the people reporting this news to be black. Okay, next. This is the visuals, as you can see. Can generate motion. Let's generate motion. It's generating motion. I just want you to see how it looks like after you've given them. This is a storyboard. After you've given your storyboard and AI has generated everything, they've generated the photos and pictures for you. And you also have a way to come down here and also apply character dialogue. This is character dialogue. If you want anything, whatever you want the character to say, you can just apply here. Same here. If you want a character to say anything, you come down and you apply. This is Etienne, okay? As I've given their names, this is Etienne Carter and this is Helen. So if you want Etienne to say anything, you just come here, you apply a character dialogue. You come here, you apply character dialogue. So all this has to be in motion, right? I'm generating motions for the characters so that the videos should be moving like live, right? We are doing this live. So right down here is where you can add the scene. If you want to add any scene here, maybe you've forgotten a scene or the AI has generated and haven't given you the real scenes you want, you can come down here and you click on the plus sign and it's going to add the scene. Then you type in the prompt here. Now, I'm going to add Etienne's voice dialogue here. You see, this is Etienne Carter. I can add his dialogue, what I want him to say. I just have to add the character's dialogue here. And when I add it, it's going to be applied to his voice, okay? When I add this, they are going to lip sync him, okay? So I'm going to add it later. because I don't want this video to be too long. I'll just do this off screen.
We will be talking to the people.
And after generating all this, from the anchors to the reporters to me in the studio with my other anchor, now I'm going to put them all together on CapCut and we'll see what we come out with. Because this tutorial is too long, I don't want it to be too long, but I'm going to show you right there when we are done with everything, okay? So guys, I did this 3D convo between me and the anchor in the studio reading the news off camera, because if I'm gonna add this tutorial to this video, it's gonna make it so long. So please go ahead, turn on your notification bells, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll be uploading this video next, so you can get notified and come back and watch how I did this convo between me and the other anchor, and how we could sit in a podcast style and read the news together. There you go, guys. This is the final result. Just leave it in the comment section. Tell me how it looks. And I had to make this short because I don't want it to be too long. It's a tutorial, but you can actually create 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes videos using LTX, because LTX is a 3-in-1 app. Like, you can actually generate voice, you can actually make motions, everything done in one app. Faceless and Harry in the studio. And on the other hand, we have 2 reporters on ground, Evelyn and Helen. So let's hear what they got to say about today's news.
Faceless Creations live broadcast on the streets. Today's question is savage. Would you date someone who has no income and still nags you? Let's hear what the people have to say.
Welcome to Faceless Creations newscast, bringing you the headlines everyone's talking about. New law announced.
The Ministry of Public Affairs just dropped a bombshell law, and ladies, you might want to sit down and hear this. Broke, out of shape, and give an attitude? The government said, tax that.
That's right, citizens. Effective immediately, if you're a woman with no income, no gym membership, and you're still denying your man?
That's a $5,000 fine for chronic unproductivity and nagging.
Guys, if this was real, half of the country will be living in debts. I want to know, who are those paying these fines and visas? Because the women I know will not take this lightly. But let's hear from Faceless and Harry in the studio.
According to Section 4.2, penalties apply if you meet all these criterias.
1, 0 income for 6+ months. 2, no physical exercise. Yes, they checked your Fitbit. 3, unreasonable romantic denial.
So is this law fake? Obviously. But this is a reminder that Faceless Creations Studio is offering a free blueprint, a step-by-step guide on how to start a faceless AI business today, and you can also click the link for her full blueprint and join her Telegram group for more AI to wealth tips.
Bro, would you date a woman with no income, no gym routine, and always nagging?
Date her? I wouldn't even borrow her a charger. My piece is expensive, fam.
So guys, at the end of the day, we found out the news was just a rumor. But obviously, one true fact about it is being broke is not cute at all. So come and let's talk about how to help you start a business today. Faceless, easy, and AI powered. See you on the next one. Bye. Now, finally, listen. Tools are only as powerful as the system behind them. That's why I went ahead. I created a free downloadable PDF to help you get started. This is an AI business starter blueprint. It breaks down how to combine durable, in-video, and 11 labs to get you started. It also gives you niche ideas you can start with today and a 7-day launch plan that you can use to get your first client online or to get your first content out there. So if you're tired of waiting, tired of hiding, or you just want to earn some income behind the screen, then go ahead, click the link in my description below, download your free blueprint, so that we can start building something faceless and fearless. Now, if this video was impactful or helped you learn anything, why don't you go ahead, click the like button, subscribe to this channel so that we can start building income facelessly, digitally, because your future digital self will thank you later for doing this. See you in the next one.